मौजूदा दौर में ज्यादातर नौजवानों का रुझान मेडिकल इंजीनियरिंग कोर्सों की जानिब है, लेकिन सोशल साइंसेस में भी करियर और रिसर्च के काफी सारे मौके अपॉर्चुनिटीज मौजूद हैं। ताहम नौजवानों को सही रहनुमाई गाइडेंस न होने के सबब सोशल साइंसेस में मौजूद अपॉर्चुनिटीज से नौजवान महरूम हो रहे हैं। इस मसले को देखते हुए बेंगलुरु के अब्बास खान कॉलेज में खुसूसी लेक्चर मुनक़द हुआ। 5 सितंबर 2023 बरोज मंगल मुनक़द हुए इस खुसूसी लेक्चर का मौजू था सोशल साइंसेस एंड रिसर्च अपॉर्चुनिटीज। नई दिल्ली से आए सेंटर फॉर स्टडीज ऑफ प्लूरल सोसाइटीज CSPS के नुमाइंदे अलमास अहमद ने खुसूसी लेक्चर पेश किया। समाजी साइंस के मज़ामीन जैसे इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, सोशियोलॉजी, हिस्ट्री जैसे दीगर सब्जेक्ट्स में करियर और रिसर्च के मौके पर अलमास अहमद ने रोशनी डाली। इस मौके पर अब्बास खान कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर MS विद्या, PG कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रोफेसर आसिमा परवीन और दीगर मौजूद थे। जुनूबी न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट।
फराहम करने जा रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स को
जी।
रिसर्च और MA के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए क्या आपके मशवरे हैं?
हम बेसिकली सबको पता होता है कि रिसर्च में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, बट उनको सही प्रॉपर गाइडेंस नहीं मिलता है, सही करियर गाइडेंस नहीं मिलता है और सही तरह की रिसर्च वर्कशॉप नहीं मिलती है। तो CSPS की तरफ से मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ उन लोगों को ये बताने के लिए कि रिसर्च में अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बहुत हैं, बट यू हैव टू बी मोर फोकस्ड, यू हैव टू बी मोर in order to be more trained, you have to get proper attention, proper training. So CSPS is here to train the interns and in the form of research workshop like writing, academic writing, literature review, like things like that.
आपके इदारे का नाम क्या है और इसका क्या मकसद है?
Center for Studies of Plural Societies. It's a center based in New Delhi, and basically we are focusing on students of social sciences to train and provide them adequate necessary training of research so that they can excel in their career.
तो स्टूडेंट्स को क्या गाइड करना चाह रहे हैं, जो क्योंकि हम देख रहे हैं कि हाई लेवल पर आने के बाद कहीं ना कहीं मायूसी भी आ जाती है, खास तौर पर सोशल साइंसेस के स्टूडेंट्स।
जी, मायूसी वही मैं बता रहा हूँ ना कि मायूसी सिर्फ एक ही वजह से आती है जब हमारे पास प्रॉपर गाइडेंस नहीं होता है, प्रॉपर विजन नहीं होता है। तो यहाँ पे CSPS के तरफ से हम जितने भी हमारे इंटर्न्स हैं या जो लोग पैशनेट है रिसर्च को लेकर, उनको एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस देंगे रिसर्च वर्कशॉप के थ्रू और प्रॉपर मेंटर्स उन्हें देंगे। इसके थ्रू वो अपने करियर्स में एक्सेल कर सकते हैं।
तो अपॉर्चुनिटी
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Greetings from me. I am Professor Asima Parveen of Abbas Khan College, heading the Department of PG MA Economics. Today it gives me immense pleasure that we have arranged this valuable lecture program on research in social sciences. So I think this was lacking among the students. The students, they are not aware of the research, the importance and the implications of research, particularly in social sciences. First of all, say hardly it is difficult to get the students for BA stream. It has gone to back seat. So that is first of all our duty is, and the foremost duty is to promote the students to come to this particular course. We have to popularize this course among the students. So to popularize among these students, the college takes the initiative to invite the eminent personalities from different fields. So today we got a golden opportunity, and this opportunity is given by the esteemed management and our principal, and we are organizing and students are the main beneficiary of this. Not only the students, but also the teachers are also the main beneficiary of this, because the young generation, both teachers and the students, they should know this. So this program is going to definitely benefit a lot to our students. So now I am in the last but not the least, I thank the organizer, Mr. Rao, and also the speaker, Mr. Alam, Dr. Alam. So in future we are going to arrange such programs, inshallah. So thank you very much. Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers in the state as well as in the country. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm Dr. M.S. Vidya, Principal Abbas Khan College for Women. I'm actually from the Department of Kannada. So, really, we belong to both Humanities Department and Commerce Department as well. But nowadays, what's happening? People are giving more importance to earning. Actually, from the since era of globalization, beginning of the globalization era, everyone wanted all the world to come together. So it's very good. We have to make contact with all the others in the world. But what happens here? What about the society? We are not thinking about the values of the society. I'm not talking just value means righteousness, how to live and how to build relationship with others. We are forgetting these things now because we are in such a, especially in Bengaluru type of metro cities, we are in such a hurry. We don't have time for others, not for ourselves. We just want to come, earn something and go home. These things are happening. So what is the how to communicate with the other members in the society, and how to build relationship in the society, how to move forward in the society, and how to build a nation. These values are very important. So I think social studies, I mean, what do you say, social sciences will help in cultivating these nature, these values in us, because I don't say other subjects are very poor in there. We are there concentrating more on economics, or what you say, earning, like earning, right? What is it in Kannada? We say arthikate ಬಗ್ಗೆ. We'll give importance to that earning part, because that is also very much important. Without earning, we cannot live. I too understand, but we are human beings. Humanity, that is most important. So here in social sciences, we have to, according to me, either history or political science or some other subject, psychology, sociology. These are all very, very important subjects, and the student should even choose these subjects. Geography, for example, nobody knows where is Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal or Indian Ocean nowadays. They don't want to know. Let them be anywhere. They think that way. What should it happen to us? No common sense, no general knowledge. So, and these social sciences, we have to, that's why NEP is stressing now upon these things. When commerce students should study social sciences should study commerce. It's happening, and research methodology is very, very important in all these things. Whatever we do, whether we study in SSLC or PUC or degree or MA, MCom, whatever subject, we have to be always a researcher. It is not just copy and write something. It is not this education. We have to think in your own way. Whatever we study, whatever we read, it should be applied to us, not just vomiting in the examination, getting good marks. So research is very, very important. That's what I want to stress: research, social sciences, and life.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To give a huge round of applause to your teachers who are present here. Please give a huge round of applause. And on behalf of student community, I thank you all the teachers for being here, for having me here.
Research is based on International Foundation as an independent, non-profit educational and research training center in New Delhi to promote the culture of scientific social research. But later